Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your account name inside the Binance app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Binance app on your phone. Make sure you're on the markets page, the home page of Binance, and then from here click on the top left hand corner and it'll bring you to this page. And at the moment my username is anonymous user, yada yada yada. So what you need to do is just click onto your username there and then click onto the pencil icon next to it. And now from here under profile, click on edit, and now I want to change my username, and now that has been set to that name, so I'm going to click on confirm. Well, as you can see, it needs to be all one word, so I'm going to get rid of the space and only letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. Chinese characters and special characters are allowed. I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm, confirm again, and there you go. My nickname inside Binance has been changed to Tutorial Wiz. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.